Good morning. Welcome to day 10 of our Formula app. Before we get started with today's lesson, we need to do some housekeeping. You're looking right now at a video that we recorded yesterday. This was our Fun Friday prize winners. I want you to see that, to see how it looks while it's playing. But I also want you to be aware that this is exactly what our math classes will look like starting the Monday after spring break. Monday after spring break, we're going to have math class at regular times every day. Pleasant Street fourth graders, we're going to meet online like this using this tool, and then we're going to meet at 9 o'clock every day. Pleasant Street sixth grader, we're going to meet at 10 o'clock. Columbia sixth graders at 1 o'clock, and Columbia fourth graders at 2 o'clock. We'll just plan to have math every day, just like we do when we're in the school building. This is called Google Meet. If any of you have used Zoom, it works pretty much the same way. I will share a link with you, and you'll just click that link and you can go to it. I will have that link up for you right now this morning so that if any of you need to talk to me, you can click on that link and we can talk live. I do need some people who did not talk to me live yesterday to talk to me at least once today to make sure we that everything works. I need Austin, Karsten, Cooper, Eva, Jacob, Jonathan, Joshua, Leah, Liliana, Logan, Rose, Sadie, and True. I need all of you to contact me at least once today so that we know that this works. All right, let's see what happened when we gave away our prizes for Fun Friday. All right, we're recording this. We're going to award some prizes today. Would you guys first all put your thumbs up to say it's okay to record you? Okay. Okay, so McKenna's okay. We're officially there. All right. We put our contest on at 1 o'clock, and at 1:42, the first person to come in was Camden Fletcher. Camden, what would you like for your prize? I showed them before we started recording. What would you like?
Can I have the blue ball?
The blue ball is Camden's. All right. Leah Broomfield came in at 1:45, but she's not here, so she'll have to pick later. McKenna Dean, you came in next. What would you like?
Am I allowed to have some of the headphones?
Earphones?
Like the earbuds?
Earphones. They will be yours. All right. Bella, what would you like? You came in next.
I would like the yellow ball.
And the yellow ball is yours. All the cool blinky lights. Do those show up on your screen, the blinkies?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And that leaves Phoebe Massard. You came in next. What would you like, Phoebe?
Could I please have the earbuds?
You get the second set of earbuds. All right. Thank you. Appreciate you guys helping. And we will look forward to talking with you again later and then starting class using the same format on the Monday after break. Okay? All right. You all can sign off now. I'll stop recording.
Bye.
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 All right, so that's what that looks like, and that's the way our classes will go starting the Monday after spring break. Today, we're going to create a formula app that will create equivalent measures for us. I've already put this sheet in your formula app earlier this morning. It may not say equivalent measures. It might just say sheet or sheet 6. What you'll need to do is come up here, copy this, and rename the sheet down here. You'll also want to change the name from Rollo Zupperman to your name. My fictional student, Alan Stevens, is using this, so we'll put in his last name and then his first name, and that's done. Now, so that nobody freaks out, this is a 2-day assignment. It's due to be finished by the end of the day, by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's worth 20 points for fourth graders, 25 for sixth, and we'll talk about 5 bonus points available for fourth graders later on. We're going to create an app where you can put any number you want in here, and it will convert it going from left to right. This app only works left to right. I'm going to do one of them, or at least part of one of them, and then we'll let you do the rest. I'm going to choose to do cups to gallons, so that if I put cups in here, it'll tell me how many pints that is, how many quarts that is, how many half gallons, and how many gallons that is. I can put any number I want in here. Just for fun, I'm going to choose the number 2 and hit tab, and that should tell me how many pints it is right here. Well, we know that's 2 cups equals 1 pint, but we do not want to put a 1 in there. Because then if I change this to 25, nothing happens here. I want instead to create an app that will do the work for me. So instead of putting a 1 here, I need to ask it or tell it what to do to convert 2 cups to pints. Now we said we know that 2 cups is equal to 1 pint. So let's use our equal sign. We want to refer to whatever is in this cell. So we just click this cell. And how do we get from cups to pints? If 2 cups equals 1 pint, how do I get from 2 to 1? Yes, I divide by 2. When I hit tab, I put in divide, which is under the question mark. Then I typed a 2, and it says I have 1 pint. Let's check. I can't say pint this morning. Let's check. If I put in 10 cups, how many pints should I have? 10 divided by 2, it's 5. Let's see if it works when I hit tab. I have 10 cups equals 5 pints. Now, how many quarts would that equal? Well, how many pints are in a quart? Well, that's right, there's 2 pints in a quart. So I want to refer to the pints. And again, in this particular case, it won't be the case everywhere. I want to divide by 2 and hit tab, and 10 cups equals 5 pints equals 2 quarts. Go back and just put in our original 2 cups. 2 cups equals 1 pint equals a half of a quart. I had 1 cup here. It would equal a half of a pint and a fourth of a quart. Now, what do you think would happen if I said, I'm just going to put the number 10 in here? Well, if I hit tab, it would work out over here from here on right. 10 pints is 2 quarts, but notice it did not change anything back here. In fact, I've ruined this now. If I put 50 cups in here, it doesn't change anything. Make it more obvious. 3,000 cups. It's not 10 pints or 5 quarts. So it only works left to right. There, I think we're back or close to our original. There we go. All right, so we want to let you then create this so it'll work from left to right. We want you to do it from teaspoons to cups, from cups to gallons, from inches to miles, and from millimeters to kilometers. That is for everybody to do. All right, 6th graders, you're doing that for regular credit. 4th graders, everybody's doing this for regular credit. Now in the green, 6th graders, you need to also do this for regular credit, and 4th graders may do it for the optional extra points. We were able to make things work from small units to big units. We'd like to be able to plug in how many gallons and have it tell me how many cups it is. We can do that by starting this way and creating our formulas from right to left. You're going to need to work either in gallons to cups or kilometers to millimeters. Just one of those two. Pick whichever one you want. We're going to go back here and click on this one. Now, you're allowed to copy either this row from cups to gallons or this row millimeters to kilometers. I'm going to choose to copy the cups to gallons. I click right on the number of the row, touch Control C, come down to the row where I want to insert that, Control V, and it not only inserts it, it also inserts the formula. So if I'm down here and I say 30 cups, it tells me I have 15 pints. It'll work all the way across when you've done this. Now, I've chosen to work from gallons to cups, not kilometers to millimeters. So I'm going to go in here and erase that. So I've got my gallons, and I'll erase my millimeters here and that. Now, again, now you can put any number you want here. I could put in 1 gallon. I could put in 12 gallons. I could put in 120 gallons. It doesn't matter where you start. You might want to start with 1. So 1 gallon equals how many, oops, it doesn't say half gallons. Well, that's because it didn't know which row I was going to use. So you're going to have to copy and paste these in. I could do that pretty easily. Well, there went my phone, but I turned it off real quickly. I copied that and I pasted it there. So you can use copy and paste to make life easy for you. When you're done, no matter what you put here, it should work all the way over to here. And if you check it, you could put this number in here and it should work all the way over to here and you'll have the same numbers here. So let's see if we can kind of make this look like it's working all the way around, even though we have to enter data here and here to get it to work. All right, that's your assignment. It is due tomorrow at 3 o'clock. That's Wednesday at 3 o'clock. And I'll look forward to talking with many of you today. Have a great day.